Hi there, students. To machinate, or also to machinate, both pronunciations are possible. And more commonly, the noun machinations, which is normally plural as well, could also be machinations. Okay, machinations are evil plans, evil plots, clever schemes, normally for evil purposes. So the machinations of the evil anti-hero in the film, yeah? So machinations, the plots, the machination, the act of plotting, yeah? I'm thinking of the machinations of Dick Dastardly in Wacky Races. But yeah, machinations, the evil plan, the evil conspiracy. I guess conspiracy theorists are always thinking or wondering about the machinations of the groups that control our society. Yeah, so machinations, crafty schemes, cunning plans to accomplish some dark and evil plan. Yeah, a plot, a scheme, a plan, a trick. Yeah, some sort of dodge or a maneuver, some sort of ploy. Yeah, the political machinations that result in somebody becoming prime minister. Yeah, politics is full of evil machinations to gain power in one way or another. Okay, I think machinations is nearly always talking about something that's rather dark, rather sinister. Yeah, so machinations, or to machinate, to think up your plan. Machinations, complicated secret plans to get power, to gain an advantage. Yeah, governments are always promising to be open and transparent, but we rarely get a real view of the machinations of the top politicians within the country. Yeah, so complicated secret plans, especially when somebody wants to get power. Plots, intrigues, conspiracies, secret plans, yeah, maneuvers. Okay, so machinations. The machinations of an evil person working out how to do this. It's nearly always plural, notice, the machinations. And I think machinations is probably more common than the verb to machinate. Machinatum, stratagem, a device, a way of getting power. Okay, machinations, formality. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Don't use it informally. Plot. Yeah, plan, secret plan, evil plan informally. So use it in semi-formal conversation or above. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French, machination, from Latin, machinatio, from machinor, to devise, to invent. Yeah, so to invent a plan. But notice machinations, it's talking about the evil plans to gain something unfairly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To machinate, to machinate, machinations, machinations.